And then you have pathological compulsion. Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit.
These mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room be all different colors. They just make them everything beige. What's this beige thing?
Equalization, two different hands, holding it. One holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off. It feels like an equilibrium. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind. Comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy.
Here's the deal. I wrote some questions. Some other people wrote some questions. We could do the questions. We could riff, maybe a little bit of both.
Okay. Do you remember we worked together?
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out.
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some.
Don't know exactly if he's going to come in on the button.
This beige thing. Is that so it's to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music.
Choreographed march across your forehead, and
so I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul. I am not laughing. I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
Psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some text from him I want to go over.
Yeah, or the deep delta state.
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. You have dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
Dude.
I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore.
Dude.
They don't want to ask anymore.
Rudolph, retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
Then I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Yeah, share the exact same phenomena.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are often sort of
Oh, the freaking caps.
My views a bit to the theta or the show, which is
They call reality.
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium. Do it all.
I have five suede.
I feel you let me ask the question.
Or animism implement us.